This is a video tutorial on how to set up your TrackerBot account. Once you've created an account, you'll need to activate your free trial by clicking here. The first step is to connect your eBay account to TrackerBot, and you can do that by clicking to connect eBay and following the instructions. The second step is to connect your Gmail account to TrackerBot. And if you need help or more information, you can always go to the Help Center and click on the article that says how to connect your Gmail account. And keep in mind that this Gmail account is the same Gmail that you should be using for your Amazon buying account. If you're not using a Gmail for your Amazon account, you should create a Gmail and forward the emails from that account to your Gmail account. The third step is to download the Chrome extension and connect your Amazon account. If you need help with this step, you can go to the Help Center again and click on the article that says how to set up Amazon Checker. Amazon Checker is part of the Chrome extension, and you'll need to use it if you're using Amazon as a supplier. As you can see here, Amazon Checker is TrackerBot's solution to Amazon no longer showing tracking numbers in a public tracking page. So for TrackerBot to extract your Amazon tracking numbers and convert them to BlueCare Express, you need to set up Amazon Checker. I'll get into what BlueCare Express is a little bit later in this video. Once you've downloaded the TrackerBot Chrome extension, you can find it up here. And then you'll need to turn on the Amazon Checker and connect your Amazon account. Once you're done with that step, you should be able to see all three of your accounts connected under Accounts in Profile. Your Amazon buying account should be here, your Gmail supplier account should be here, and your eBay account should be here. And now let's go to the eBay settings. So first I want to explain what BlueCare Express is. BlueCare Express is not a carrier or a shipping company. They are a tracking services company that allows you to convert any tracking number into BlueCare Express tracking numbers, which can then be uploaded to eBay. This is a critical component of the dropshipping process for two reasons. One, Amazon Logistics tracking numbers, which start with TBA, cannot be directly uploaded to eBay, so you need to convert those tracking numbers into a BlueCare Express tracking number. Two, we need to hide the origin of the shipment so that eBay doesn't know we're dropshipping, and BlueCare Express will mask the origin of the shipment. So if you didn't know already, retail dropshipping, which is what we're doing, is against eBay's terms of service. So in order to protect your account from getting flagged for dropshipping, you need to hide the origin of the shipment. Here's an example. Let's say you're based in New York and you upload a UPS tracking number that is coming from California. eBay is going to see this and know immediately that you're dropshipping because the origin scan of your shipment is not the same as your location on file. Alright, so now that we've covered what BlueCare Express is and why we need it, let's move on to the upload settings. You want to turn on the second one, which says replace all tracking numbers coming from Amazon with BlueCare Express. If you hover over the eye icon, you'll see it says tracking numbers from all Amazon orders, including Amazon Logistics and other carriers such as UPS, USPS, FedEx, etc., will be converted to BlueCare Express tracking number and uploaded to eBay. Now, we're only using Amazon as a supplier, but if you were to use other suppliers, you would toggle the third button on. And then you also want to enable the tracking upload to eBay. And that's it for that. Now, if the tracking number was uploaded manually, select overwrite because we only want one tracking number to be uploaded to eBay. And you don't need to mark orders as shipped because eBay will automatically mark the order as shipped once you upload tracking information. Now let's go to the messaging settings and click on auto messaging. This is completely optional, but I like to have messages sent to the buyer when the item has been shipped and when the item has been delivered. So you can check these boxes and click on edit the template. I would not recommend using your default template because it includes extraneous information that can confuse the buyer. For example, the carrier is BlueCare Express and the tracking number is a BlueCare Express tracking number. Most likely your buyers have never heard of BlueCare Express or have seen a BlueCare Express tracking number which starts with BCE. So it's better to leave out this information in the message. Feedback reminders are completely optional as well. I don't personally send feedback reminders because eBay already does this for you. Auto feedback is optional as well, but I do recommend turning this on because your buyers will be more likely to leave you positive feedback if you leave them positive feedback. And lastly, after your free trial is ended, you'll want to purchase a plan. So go to your dashboard and click on Upgrade Plan to see your options. I recommend starting with a monthly plan and selecting the business plan because you'll need Blue Care Express trackings, which the starter and professional plan don't have. And if you need to buy more BC credits, you can just click on Get More BCE. And that's it for TrackerBot. If you found this content useful and you would like to sign up for TrackerBot, please consider using my referral link below. Thank you.